Okay, you guys, so we have our spiral portal. So the whole focus of this shirt is that it is going to have a little bit of a portal in the center of a spiral, and the rest is all scrunchy rainbow so you can see into the portal. See what I'm saying? So while I'm opening this, I have merch out if you're interested. There's tons of stuff, stickers, phone cases, leggings, joggers, t-shirts, sweatshirts, blah blah blah. So I have two designs. One is my logo, the other is just something I made for tie-dyers in general. So make sure you check that out. I actually have a store tab up where you see home, videos, playlists, stuff like that. If you kind of go swipe over, it says store. So there's that. Everything that I use in my videos, links in the description box below. I know pretty much all of you guys know that already, but I just thought I'd tell you again. Now, make sure you wait for the very, very end of this video because it'll be a washed and dried version of this, and we're going to open it. So, lots of pretty colors, and spiral poured. Oh, yeah, that turned out super good. I love that. That looks good. So make sure you wait because there's a washed and dried version at the end of this. So that looks super good. The back looks the same. Don't mind I got a little string on the back here. So most people, when they do a portal, they do like a rainbow spiral in the middle with black and gray scrunch. That's why I did the opposite because I thought it would look cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing. Don't forget to check out my merch and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much again and happy tie-dyeing.